Welcome to Dividend Kings. Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Many beginner investors do not know how to find good dividend stocks to invest in despite the fact that there are many safe and reliable dividend stocks out there. So today we will go through the top 5 safe and reliable dividend stocks to invest in 2023. And don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more dividend stocks videos. Our first dividend stock will be Coca-Cola, ticker, KO. Coca-Cola is known as a dividend king because they have been paying dividends for 6 centuries and has been growing their dividend for 60 years consistently. Their dividend growth rate over the last 5 years is 3.5%, which is not bad considering that they have been growing for 60 years. Their dividend yield is currently 3.07% with an annual payout of $1.84. One way to know if a company is safe and reliable is by checking their payout ratio. Currently Coca-Cola's payout ratio is 71%, which is good because it means they are paying 71% of their earnings to pay their shareholders. If the payout ratio is over 100%, it will be risky because it means that they are paying their shareholders more than what they earn, which is not good for long-term investments. As we can see here from this chart, Coca-Cola has been growing at a very steady pace for many years. It only went down during 2020 because of the pandemic. As of 2023, Coca-Cola has been growing back up to where it used to be. Number 2 is Johnson & Johnson, ticker, J&J. J&J is also one of the dividend kings because they also have been paying out dividends for a long time with a dividend growth of 60 consecutive years. J&J is a company that makes health products that most of you might know, like Tylenol and Listerine. J&J also has a very high 5-year growth rate of 6.1%. J&J has a dividend yield of 2.9% with an annual payout of $4.52. J&J is currently at its 52-week low, so it's a good time to stock up on some J&J stock discount. At number 3 we have PepsiCo, ticker, PEP. PepsiCo is one of the companies that sells food and drinks. PepsiCo's product might be familiar to most of you because PepsiCo's products consist of Lay's chips, Doritos, Gatorade, Mountain Dew and many more. PepsiCo has also been paying out dividends for a very long time and the dividend growth has been consistent for 50 years, which also makes PepsiCo a dividend king. PepsiCo's 5-year growth rate is an impressive 7.4%, which makes it one of the highest 5-year growth rate on this list. PepsiCo's dividend yield is 2.6% with an annual dividend payout at $4.60. PepsiCo's payout ratio is also at a good percentage of 66%, which makes it a very safe and reliable stock. PepsiCo's stock price has only been going up ever since 2010. Even during the pandemic it is still growing, which makes PepsiCo an even more reliable stock in case of a recession. And at number 4 we have Home Depot, ticker, HD. If you don't know what Home Depot is, Home Depot engages in the sale of building materials and home improvement products. Its products include building materials, home improvement products, lawn and garden products, and decor products. It offers home improvement installation services, and tool and equipment rental. Home Depot's current price is $296 per share. Its dividend growth may not be as good as Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, or Johnson & Johnson, but it is still a very good stock to invest in. Home Depot's 5-year growth rate is at an impressive 16.4%, which exceed all the previous stocks on the list. Home Depot has a dividend yield of 2.82% and an annual dividend payout of $8.36. Considering the growth of this stock, it will most likely increase the dividend payout the longer you hold their stock. And for the final stock on our list, number 5 ABBVie Incorporated, ticker, ABBV. ABBVie's current stock price is $152 per share. ABBVie's entire product line consists mainly of 16 drugs, among them Lupron, for prostate cancer, Androgel, a testosterone booster, and Creon, pancreas therapy. But the company's undisputed heavyweight champion is Humira, an anti-inflammatory medication that just happens to be one of the world's best-selling drugs. ABBVie's dividend growth is also not as good as a dividend king or dividend aristocrat, but it's still not something to scoff at either. ABBVie's 5-year dividend growth rate is a whopping 16.9%, which just goes over Home Depot for the 5-year dividend growth rate. ABBVie's current dividend yield is 3.88% with an annual dividend payout of $5.92. The payout ratio is at 41%, which is very good because the company will have more funds to reinvest into their company for future growth and longevity. And that will be it for my list of top 5 safe and reliable stocks to invest in. I hope the video was helpful and will assist you in your financial freedom goals. Please do leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on dividend stocks. If you have any stock suggestions that I have yet to list in my videos, please do leave a comment, as I am also a dividend stock investor and still learning with all of you.